Penny Lancaster defied celebrity convention this week to post a makeup-free picture of herself smiling with her two sons she shares with rocker husband Sir Rod Stewart, Alistair, and Aidan. The model defied her 52 years in the snap, which saw her sporting a very casual look with her hair in a messy ponytail. She positively glowed as she posed beside her boys and tagged both her children in the post, which was simply captioned, "My boys at Alistair F. Stewart at Aidan's2_1888 #New Zealand #rainy days #happiness." Sir Rod was clearly impressed by the beautiful picture of his family, commenting, "Even on a somewhat cold rainy day the Stewarts cuddle up and make memories." Meanwhile, fans were completely taken aback by the resemblance of 12-year-old Aidan to his famous father and were quick to make the comparison in the comments section. A user called @LeslieSpirin wrote, "Handsome boys Penny. Youngest Rod's double." @Drake100 commented, "Wow X. Didn't realize Aidan was so much like Rod 30. Beautiful photo 20 Wow. Aidan is Rod's twin. Doppelgangers @Penny Lancaster, wrote @DoodlePippins." Meanwhile @BirdieAB49 said, "Isn't the little chap the image of Rod? Bless him X." And @SwaCampbells14 said, "Handsome boys, Aidan is Rod's double, that cheeky smile. Alistair is more you, enjoy NZ. Stay well 20 Alistair doesn't just resemble Penny physically as the commentator noted, but he is also following in her modeling footsteps. The 17-year-old signed a deal with luxury clothing brand Palm Angels last year. This saw him appearing on billboards all across Italy's fashion capital, Milan. Proud mum Penny shared a picture of his billboard to her Instagram, and in August last year, she also shared an image from a shoot he did for the brand's fall collection. The family are currently in New Zealand as Rod is performing 2 concerts as part of his Greatest Hits tour. Tonight, the veteran rocker performs in Napier at the Mission Estate Winery. Meanwhile, tomorrow night sees him in Auckland, playing the Spark Arena. Girls Just Wanna Have Fun singer Cyndi Lauper is his support act for both shows. Don't miss. Braless Ashley Roberts suffers wardrobe malfunction in risque outfit. Latest, Sue Radford enjoys best day as she shakes off daughter's claims. Latest, pregnant Jessie J shows off huge baby bump in naked bath snaps. Latest, despite the fact that she is thousands of miles away, Penny will appear on UK screens tonight in a pre-recorded Pointless Celebrities special. Other well-known faces joining her on the popular quiz show are Leslie Garrett, Noreen Khan, Ehsan Akbar, Laurie Brett, John Partridge, James King, and Rosie Millard. They will all be hoping to come up with the least likely correct answers to a series of questions in order to win a cash prize for the charity of their choice. Pointless Celebrities is on BBC One at 6:45 p.m.